Hey guys, Andrew here. We're doing some new side steps or Nerf bars on the Tundra, so I'm just going to show you. It's really easy. First thing to do, grab your old yoga pad, and these are iron cross right here. You're going to pull out those 2 bolts here, 12 millimeter factory bolts on this, 12 millimeter, and then that's a factory body mount, or that one there is 3/4. So get those off. My little Harbor Freight gun won't take this off, so. Can't see it. There we go. New running boards mount in a different spot, so put these back in there. Hope we never use that one. So that's just 12. And these are 12 millimeter. And this one here, right here will come out. And these right here will come out. New ones. Here, see, there's one. I hope this microphone's working. But so there's one right here. Comes out. And then there's one right here. It's already missing. So run that in there really quick. And I run the threads. Just like that. And then the other one is this very back one over there. Just like that. One of these is bent on the other side, so we're replacing it with these. These are actually old stock that was at a dealership. They're Laverne. I got black. He had stainless also, but I thought these would look better. For anyhow, I paid $75 for them, which I feel like $75 is pretty reasonable. So, comes with all the bolts you need. Just prepped them. Bolt, lock washer, regular washer. These are 13 millimeter drive. And then the brackets are really well marked, like DC's driver's side center, driver's rear, driver's front. If you can't figure that out, you shouldn't be doing this anyhow. So I get these over to the truck. All right, so you can see I just left that front mount off or on there. I'm gonna have to get something bigger to get underneath there, get it off, but it's fortunately not really in the way, and I'm not concerned with the aesthetic anyhow. So just here to make sure my kid don't slip when she's getting in the truck. Well, kid and wife. And I'm just gonna kind of set them in there. So you see, it kind of has that angle on it for the two bolt locations. Whoop, microphone. So I'm gonna set this on low. I'm just gonna kind of snug them just enough. Maybe that was too much. There we go. I want to still be able to wiggle. Yeah, I mean, this is for the Laverne. I don't know, I'll find the part number and show you, but I'm sure that the story is true for a lot of these similar designs. I had a pair on a different Tundra a while ago. It actually used every single one of these mounting holes, but this one doesn't. So these are like old stock. The box said 2013 on it. So this part number would fit on any of the Tundras up to 2021 if you found a pair. Your Crew Max. Still wiggly. What we want. So let's just get one of these up there. Just want something in there. See how I can move that around really easily. Put that one in there. And try and show you what I'm doing down here. This is what happens when it's just you. That's how it lays. We'll get this up like that, right? Go a little bit tighter on this side here. And then I'm just gonna keep the pressure on this, and then we'll get the other side on here. Right. Okay. This one goes in here. I think that one got too tight. Oh, let's see here. Tell you what, yoga mats are good for lots of things, man. Probably for yoga too, but yoga mats or like a a hard fold up backpacking mat are kind of awesome for this kind of thing. I usually keep one in my truck for when I have to lay on the ground fixing stuff. All right. You had like a low powered ratchet, electric ratchet or something, that'd be awesome for this too, but I don't. So wiggle this all into place. This one up here, because it's the bent one part on the frame, that's the most important one to get in right on the bracket. So basically just looking underneath here. Oh, let me get the camera. Welcome back. Right here, where that crease is at. I want to make sure that crease lines up properly. So we're going to tighten that one first. Just like that. Keep my hat on. You like my microphone? Microphone! Oh. That's flattering. Oh, I take this one. Make sure it's kind of like lined up. My body. Yeah, pretty much. Then tighten our way back. So I've snugged these to the bar. I'm going to snug the body mount here. All right. Now we're going to do another visual here really quick. Make sure it doesn't look dumb. I don't think it looks dumb. Side's already done. Lines up straight. Yeah, this one, this dent here messed up that one, and so I was worried somebody would slip and fall. But they didn't. And now I got these on. Now, what I'm going to do is just kind of go back through again on each of these and hit them with the actual wrench. And the reason for that is I don't believe in just guessing. So, I'll take this. And you'll feel it kind of start to tighten up, and that's where it's at. Give it a good even pressure until it kind of says, oh, that's about it. And that's good. Well, I didn't see a torque specification on the paperwork, so that one's about there anyhow. Ow. Sorry, microphone. That one's not quite there. There we go. I think I had the gun on low up here, didn't I? Yes, I did. There we go. All right. There you have it. We've got some new running boards. 75 bucks for those. And seem pretty sturdy. So it's not a review. But if you're going, how do I put these running boards on? Well, read the instructions and watch this video. Maybe set.